Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Sugandh Khanna, AWS Solution Architect Associate Certified and Aqua Certified Drupal 8. Today in CI/CD pipeline, we will discuss the step 11, how we're gonna add SSH servers in Jenkins. So it would be preferred if you can check the step 9 where I have installed the plugin, publish over SSH, and then after that you will get a fair enough idea what exactly we are doing. Let's switch on to our Jenkins server. So here I am on my Jenkins server. I'll click on manage Jenkins and configure system. Now I will scroll in the bottom and there you will get an option of SSH server. Here you can add SSH server, and this option is coming only because you have installed the plugin publish over SSH. Now you can give here name Jenkins, then your host name will be your private IP. So this is my Jenkins server and this is my private IP. I'm copying it from here and pasting it over here. So username would be root, and in advanced section password. So I haven't set any password for my root user. Okay, so currently I am giving it, which I'll gonna set right after this in my Jenkins via putty. So I'm just applying it. So let me show you. If I'll test the connection over here, it will throw me an error, okay, because we didn't set any root password in my Jenkins. Fine. So let's SSH into Jenkins via putty, and here I'm saving it. For that, let's open putty. Here I am. I'm deleting the previous one. So you can copy here the public IP. Okay. So hope you are all aware of these steps. We have done these steps so many times before in the previous sessions. So I'm just opening it. Okay. Now let's switch on to sudo su and set the password for your root user. For that, we need to give the command passwd space root. So the password is all set. One more thing we need to do here is making the password authentication yes and root permit login to yes. For that, we need to edit our sst_config file, and it resides in etc sst_config. So this is how our sst_config file will look like. So here search for permit root login. Let me press I. So here is permit root login. I need to uncomment this one, and in the authorization section for the password authentication I need to put it yes. That's it. So I'm just saving my file and need to restart. Let me clear it. I need to restart my SSHD file. So systemctl restart SSH. This got now restarted. Hope we will not get any error and our test connection will get successful. Let me click on Manage Jenkins and configure system. Scroll on to the bottom. And here I'm checking my configuration and kudos, this is a success. So it means our connection for our test configuration is giving success. It means the connection got established over SSH, and now we will successfully send files or execute commands over SSH. That's all for this lecture. I'm saving this. In the next one we will learn how to create build and how to create a job and run build. That's all for this lecture. Have a nice day.